帮我去拿一份那个资料好吧，小吴啊，帮我去拿个 catalog。
在哪里啊？
开始了吗？
哪里有啊？
有一本。拿。哦，对，有了。Hey everybody. Hi everybody. Welcome to China Socks Printer Manufacturer Colorido. Colorido channel. Welcome to our channel. I will introduce you our company and start this visit tour. Okay, today we're gonna start from the introduction. We are Colorido from Ningbo. I am Joanne. I'm Joanne. We are sock printer manufacturer. I will introduce you. We have two business. One is the printing business, and another is the socks printer manufacturing business. For the socks printing business, we just accept the small order, like 200 printing, 300 printing, because we try to work out color solution, printing solution, like what is the color solution? We just try to print the socks picture, follow up the original pictures, like the cat and the face. Moment, let me get the socks. 等一下，我去拿袜子啊。Then get the socks. 小张，你白袜子拿个一只给我。Okay, I got the socks. As for the printing, let me show you. Maybe you are wondering what our socks printer do. Today I introduce this for you. Look, this is the blank socks, no color at all. I mean, it's white, no pictures on it. So many socks is like jacquard socks. So the machine knit the picture, knit the designs directly from the knitting machines. But our printer, it can print on the white socks directly. No need knitting. Then you will say why I need to select this printing socks. For the jacquard socks, it always need a big MOQ. I mean the order minimum quantity. Like those jacquard socks, if 1,000 or 2,000, they still think it's like a very mini order. Even you order 20,000 pairs, they think they still think that is a normal order quantity. It's better you give them one container or something. But this one, our socks printing, 到这里了。Our socks printer, it can print like a unique design on one pair, two pairs, it doesn't matter. So we say it's no MOQ at all. Like here, you can see our operator is working on it. It's just one sock now. They use one sock because it's the special position, the label position. So it means no MOQ at all. Like this one, you print on the white socks, you can print one sock, you can print one pair sock. See, so no MOQ at all. This is a good thing. And another thing is for the jacquard sock, jacquard socks, you can see here the inside of the socks always have many threads. Always have many threads that. Let me find. I will see if I can find a jacquard socks. 你们有提画画吗？jacquard socks. Let me see. Moment. 随便吧。Okay, just like this, you can see if the jacquard socks, you can see always have many threads inside. But for this printing socks, everything, nothing inside, nothing inside. So that's the difference. One is the order quantity, the another is the inside threads. Basically, such socks, if you wear it, it's more comfortable. Another case is for the kids socks. For kids socks, it's more like those. For as a mom, always worry about the little risky for those threads inside. So usually we will select those non-thread socks. This is what our socks do, socks printer do, can print on the white socks surface. White socks surface. So don't need it. You can do those print on demand order. And one day you can print like 1,000 pairs for one machine. The one day, I mean. Okay. This is what we do now. What we do. Our socks printer is print on the pictures on the surface. Okay. Next, I wanted to introduce what designs you can print. In fact, any designs you can print on the socks. Like this, it's the cat. This is the cat. Cat face. You can see the eyes. It's cute, right? And here is the face. So it's really different. And also, you say those, it's like the very light color, like painting color. So different. You can print whatever you like to print. For our socks printer, I would like to introduce you how many styles we have. This is our industrial area. Look here. This is the single style. It's 8500 Pro. 8500 Pro. This one can print multiple rollers from 73 millimeter diameter to 500 millimeter diameter. So this cylinder could be bigger. Uh, we usually use for small order or for big rollers sample use this machine. It can print like sleeves, socks, and seamless suits, beanies as well. But we always For the big rollers, we always just print the sample because this one only one roller. So you need time, put it on and adjust the position. Also need take the printed suits off. So it's like quite slow speed. So this one is low quality output. Low output. We don't suggest if you need a bigger output. Another one is this one. This is our latest and the most popular socks printer. This is called 8210 Pro. This one in actually is the hot seal printers because this printer speed is quite fast. The operator usually very difficult to catch the speed. But the speed can be adjustable no matter the printing speed and this rotating speed. For this printer, we installed two printer heads. Here you can see this is the head position. This is the head position. We use the Epson. We use the Epson 1600 style for printing. And for the colors, you can select 4 colors or 8 colors. It doesn't matter. Like usually we use CMYK, but sometimes we use 8 colors. Uh, for normal socks, like for poly and cotton socks, 4 color CMYK is enough. But if it's very flat surface, like these sleeves, like sleeves, these sleeves, or those nylon suits, then we need 8 color. 8 color, like here, you see, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 colors. Usually we will use the spot color like red, orange, blue. So it's different based on the color requests. Why the you select 4 colors or 8 colors? Because 8 colors always more color area. More color area. Uh, you can see from the website there is a circle. It's RGB, right? The 3 circles. So if more colors, the color area is bigger. But due to those normal socks, because socks you see it's not so flat and it's a stretch a lot. So CMYK is enough. It's much easier. Also for the socks material, what material can print? Uh, like poly, cotton, bamboo, and nylon. All those material can be printed, but different material use different ink. Different ink need a different pre-treatment and after treatment. I would like to introduce you the poly process because the poly process is the most easier, the more easier process. Only need this printer and oven is enough. For the printers, you know, we have several styles. Like this one is, as I told you, uh, this is four rollers. This is the fastest style. It's 80, like the fastest speed could be 80 pairs per hour. And this one is one roller, one pair, one time printing. This one, the fastest speed, it could be like 40 pairs per hour. But you see, like now, they just use one side to print. Also, you need to move, like say, remove the roller off, then you put, later you can say, she will put the socks on. Okay, just one. Then wait it. Then she will wait it. After printed, then replace that roller. You can see. So it's put on, then remove, put on, remove. It's more complicated than the four rollers. These four rollers could be non-stop printing, non-stop printing. And another, and I show you, this is a single roller and one piece socks printer. The Go printer one pair one time. It could be one pair one time, but she only use one side. But this one only can print one socks one time. So it's more. I mean, it's a slower than the previous one. Here I also would like to introduce you this one. This one is our latest, also the latest socks printer. Uh, this one is could do non-stop printing, but only two rollers. When this one printed, after this back, this the roller could switch. Uh, can use which style you like? This is two rollers, four rollers, and one roller. Which style? Well, I'm say uh, QW prints. Can we see it printing? Do you want to see this one? 小张，两头，两个头。Let me see. Two heads, two roller. Loaders. OK. 他想要看这个。OK, moment. I let my technician do this. 打袜子、打纸、打袜子都行。他想要看一下你怎么操作。OK, now he will turn on the printer first. Okay, so you can see we have several styles. Sorry, just wait a moment. The technician will prepare something He did not expect we will use it. For these printers, we designed four heads, four Epson heads. But till now, we think the 2 heads is enough. Why I say that 2 heads? Because this one usually for the usually print the 2 socks, so not so fast as the 4 rollers. 4 rollers could be 80 pairs per hour, but this one it's only like 40 pairs per hour.
And sorry, excuse me, I saw Nilesh has a question. How many types fabric print on this?
How many fabrics?
How many types?
For the printers, you can print like all materials, poly, cotton, bamboo, anything. But for the most easier process should be poly material. For poly process, only printing and oven. That's 2 equipments can finish all process. But for cotton, you need to get like a washer, the water, heater. So like 7. No, not 7. It's like 6 equipments. So much more complicated than the poly one. And now he select this picture. It's move here, start to rotating, printing now. Now we use 2 heads and 8 colors. So the printing speed is not fast as the 2 heads and 4 color. If normal socks, we just use poly, we just use 4 colors, then it's 2 times speed. We will show you the printing speed. Here, you can say the 8 colors, 2 heads, it's 42 seconds. 42 seconds per one. Okay, after that, it will switch to the position. 你再来打一个。Okay, then 你这边把它给弄掉，再连续的试试看啊。Okay. Then the second printing. You can see here we designed we designed 4 heads here. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, nearest. Pretty quick. Thank you. Any more questions? What's the cost of the printer and the other equipment? For the poly process, for such a printer, it's based on a different function. We offer like a 15800 dollars. 15. Sorry, it's $15,800 for such printer. For such printer. So you can see he can operate this non-stop printing. 远一点 Here. 这是尼龙对吗？羊毛。Okay. For the printers, it doesn't matter. You can print on wool and bamboo, cotton, poly, all materials. But you need to use the different ink for different materials. And pre-treatment and after treatment. Until now, the poly is a much easier process. I can show you this process here. You can see the polyester socks, polyester material, only printing and heating. Then it's finished. But for cotton, bamboo, wool, and nylon, use this process: soaking, and dry. The water, it's like the water and heating, then printing, then steaming. Here it's need a steamer, steaming, washing, and drying. That's all. And for the equipment, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add the printer, so total need like seven equipments. It's much more complicated for these cotton socks and wool socks. So most of our clients use easier process. It's polyester socks, like USA, Europe, South Africa. All of them start with also the color is very good. You can see here this color. Oh, here you can see this is the color. So you can see almost all color here. It's rainbow color. Polyester fabric, which ink used, and what's the price of the ink and the print head used. For the printer head, we use Epson head, 2 to 4 heads total, and which used ink. Ink we use DTG sublimation ink. DTG sublimation ink for the polyester. For the price, okay, the price for the poly one, we offer 15 liter, $15 per liter. 1 liter can print 800, 600 to 800 pairs. Any more questions? Say fluorescent ink, fluorescent ink available for polyester. Okay, we will stop this one because the technician will work for another printer. Yes, you can use FL ink, but for that ink, we don't suggest it because for the sublimation, I mean DTG sublimation FL ink, that one for sunshine, not so good. I mean, the color fade very severe, so we don't suggest to use that ink. Also, we can provide ICC for FL ink, but the problem is after our clients use it, they still think not worth it. The FF ink is much expensive, but our normal ink can be such color. So it's how to say? It's like don't need it. I don't need it. See, you can see the color, very bright, and say How many machines you sold before in India? In India, oh, sorry, I have to say no. Till now, no. Not this style. We sell UV printer in India, but not a SOX printer. For our machines, um, like 80%, 80% to United States and Europe, and other 25% to South Africa. That is our main market. I hope you could be our first India client. But we do have potential client. Last ITMA, we are in Shanghai. We met some clients from India, but they like a pigment ink. If we are recently we are put the pigment ink into this development system, but not now. We are not ready yet. You can see here. In fact, this machine we will test pigment ink. We will use eight color for the pigment. We think that it should be okay. Uh, a moment, I will show you our pigment ink sample. Moment, Tina，去那个会议室去拿一下 pigment 的那个样品，几个都拿来，我对比一下。啊，OK。Printer operation software and the RIP software. For the print software, we use Hanson and Beijing board. For the RIP, we use Maintop and New Stampa. For in fact, United States and Europe, South Africa clients, they like New Stampa. Why I say that? I can show you the difference. Wow, you are very professional. The next step, I would like to introduce the software, but you bring the software question here. You can see here, this is the它会打断吗？ You can see the details. See our cat, the eyes. You can see the black in the eyes. Then the main top, I can show you here. See, the main top is like more blur, not so clear, not so clear. So it's different. I can show you here.
There's another question. Printer operation software and RIP software.
我已经回了。So this is the main top, and this one, New Stampa. That's why they select New Stampa, not main top. You can see this, right? The details, it's quite different. Okay, now I show you this pigment ink. If this well successful, then wow, that is so good because we can print almost all materials, no matter the cotton or bamboo or cotton blend, cotton and nylon blend. That is so good. We hope it was successful. Like this one, they use This one use CMYK 4 color to print it. But very strange is the client can accept such quality. You can see this use the pigment. It's red. It's really red. You cannot say it very clearly. I can prepare like this one. So this one is should be like those quality, no matter print on cotton or poly, should be like this and this. Even the main top print I can accept, but this one, you see, very blur. This is a pigment effect. And see here, very blur, not so print, so details. Uh, I mean, this is such a market quality. We, we pursue. This is what we test here. We are test here. This is what we test here. I think ours is much better than this market one. See, this is what we select 8 colors to print on the cotton. I mean, use the pigment ink. Use the pigment ink. I will let you know how we will do. I mean, use this machine. Now we're still working on it. We will keep you posted. Maybe next week we will have the result. Mm, today we will do this ink since Thursday and no Wednesday. Wednesday and Friday we still have the live stream. Maybe tomorrow or the day after, 2 days later, maybe we have the result. We will let you know. Okay. We hope it was successful. At least though, our Pakistan client and the India client, they are very interested in this process. Okay. Next, I would like to introduce you how you select a printer. In fact, now, 这叫什么？Nilesh already give our clients some some idea how to select a printer. In fact, it's a software. One printer, when we sell this printer, usually included two software. One is the board, the printer software. Another is the RIP software. What is the RIP software? RIP software is the one make the normal picture, normal designs can be recognized by the printer. So the printer know how to print it, what color should use. That is the RIP job. Can make it let the printer recognize the file. Another is the printer software. For the printer software, there's so many, so many companies here. But we just use Beijing, Beijing board and Hanson board because these two software is most popular in China. Uh, Not saying made in China not good or something, just because those are more popular. So many companies use them. So they know what our client need. So they also know what can make the colors better. That's why we use them, use Beijing and Hansen. I don't use other board. I just worry they cannot give us good service. Another one is the RIP software. We select New Stamper because New Stamper is the most popular in China market. Also, New Stamper, uh, at least in China, it's like a top brand, top brand. So they have quite a lot of experience of the color. They have many styles you can select, like statuary, and you can select big ink drop, mid ink drop, uh, even you cancel the bigger ink drop and just use the small ink drop. That's why we select New Stampa. New Stampa is New Stampa from Spain, not from local. Uh, Also, I select main top. Maybe some client should say it's too expensive for thing. I prefer to use a cheaper software to start first. So we select main top. Main top also you can see from those advertisement paper printer or those solvent printer, they use mainly main top. So we have Beijing board, Hansen board, and New Stamper, and the main top software. This is our software. Another one is you can say for the final printing details what you should select. Like here, you need when you check their final finished printed sleeve products, you need to say if here the lines clear. Say if the lines clear. Cannot melt. It's better not melt. But I have to tell you for the poly socks, poly use the sublimation ink. It's very easy to fly. So need to control the printing high. So here, check the details. Here is white, so not fly ink. See? Also the line details. It's printing very sharp, very sharp. This is you should talk to the supplier. Let me show you our sublimation socks. Sublimation, this one. This one also shows sublimation. As I told you, sublimation ink is very easy to fly. So you need to select good socks material. Here, like this one, you can see the lines. I don't see the melt part, so it's printed good. Also, the solid color, very clean. Solid color, very clean. See, And the red is red part, and black. Even you can see the yellow circle around the black area. It's still good. Here, you can see. Any more questions? Welcome to ask here. Okay. Carlos here. I know you have many questions. Carlos，我好像那个，okay, next, I prefer to tell you this poly process and the poly process and those cotton process. For the poly one, you can say here like this one. It's printing. After printing, follow me. Now we are using, see, here. This is the oven. This is the oven machine. Oven machine. And here you can see 这个已经被粘了。Okay, this one we cannot touch. We are not able to touch the surface because this ink not dry yet. So we put it here. 哎呀，这个咋弄？这样。Okay, we put it here. Let it. So here we set up here 180. Here. 180 degrees. And the speed is like 3 minutes. Let it go inside. Let it go inside. So this is the color is very, very light color. Then after 180 degrees, you can see this color. It's purple. See the, oh sorry, these details. You can see the logo. It's not dry, not melt, right? It's not melt. You can see the logo. Oh, come out. See. Uh-uh. Here, inside, it's quite clean as well. This is what I say, it's good quality. Say it's quite white is white, pink is pink. This is good. Okay. This is a wrist wrap. I'm not afraid of you checking clothes. 哎呀，你待会儿先对着对他们拍一下，我去拿一下那个样品给他说一下。Okay, now we will show you how the followers operating. 你还有东西打吗？没啦。The girl is printing the sample. Now he is adjust the position. You can see he tried to adjust the laser. He tried to adjust the laser position so meet the lens request. Always, our clients always have some position requests. So they need a print one and fix the laser After that, they will put the socks on. You can see how she do this. Okay, now he put the socks on. 你那边能看到？在哪？ Now he put the socks on. You can see he tried to meet the laser position, the red line. Yes, usually we put the cuff top one laser. Then the heel center, we put one cross laser there. Also, you can see there's two green circle, the belt, the band. So they will fit another laser there. She used 3 lasers total. Any question? I love you. Ask me questions. Yes, she can do this position job later. After everything fixed, she will print. 现在打了是吗？ It's started printing now. Okay. Done. Okay, she take the socks off. So you can see this strap. 让我来看一下 here. Sometimes maybe you will worry about the line straight, the line straight line. In fact, it's after printing, it's like this. But if you twist the socks, I mean, when you put on the socks, black socks on the roller, it's twisted too much. These lines will twist as well. So it's better when you put on the socks, you try to check those lines. Try to make it line up. So it's not bad, right? The printing edge is sharp. And here, the logo. This logo looks good. That's why we select the good software. We want the solid color, very clean. I'm too short. Okay. Okay, just now we checked the printer and the oven. Now I would like to bring you to our after treatment print treatment workshop. Here, this small room. 刚好可以看到呢。This is the oven. The oven. I know you guys love this, love those face socks. 好烫好烫 It's very hot. 太烫了。See, this is face socks. In fact, it looks very good. Yes. Oh, I love this cute face. It seems very, very happy. See? You can see the solid color. I mean here, the gradient color. It's very good. From the light to deep color, you can see it's very clean, right? Very, very clean. That's why I said we need a good software. But it doesn't matter if you feel the budget is not so high, then not enough, then you can start from the low price first. Anyway, start the business first, right? Okay, some I need like the dog face. Yeah, this dog face. See, this is a dog face. And you can see the logo. See, this is the sublimation. I mean the DTG sublimation ink. You can see the logo. Yes, here, this logo and the logo here. So everything's good. And here I can show you, see, this one. So you can print whatever you like on the socks. Also no MOQ, no need to knit like 1,000 pairs. It doesn't matter. Just one pair, one order. Print on the demand. Doesn't matter. So printer and oven. Printer and oven. That's all. That's all. You can say it's so good, right? You can see why the line is so sharp. Say here, even you stretch like this, still looks good. As I told you, when you check if the printer is good, you check this printing effect, the solid color, and the printing details, and those logos. And if color follow up your original pictures, and check their software as well. Okay, this is the uh, oven. The oven and the printer, then that's all. This oven size, like here to here, is 1.4 meters. 1.4 meters. Here to here, 1.4 meters. And here uh, it's like 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters. And here to here, it's 1.8 meters. And the width, for this width, it's 1.1 meters. So not so big. But this one, it's and three faces and 15 kilowatt. If your workshop is not have such three faces, you just let us know. Then we can make one face for you. One face like 7 kW for the power. That it's normally family can get that power. Also here, this one is the big heater. Big heater. Big heater is for this cotton and the wool and bamboo process. Bamboo process. You can see here this one. It's this one. This one is very big one. Very big one and head one. I remember the height should be 2.8 meters. See, 2.8 meters. Very big one. And let's see the inside. The inside, we use this heater. We use this heater for the cotton and wool and bamboo socks. This one only can do like 70 degree, 70 degree. No need like 180. But this small one for the poly one, it's 180 degrees, 80 degrees, because the ink, the different ink. If we use this one like 180 degrees, the cotton fiber is not good, not good for this. This is cotton. Here, see the lines, 线，这些 the lines. For the details, you can check everything. Yeah. Okay, now after we printing for the cotton, we need like this one. We put whole cherry. We put whole cherry into this heater. Then like 5 minutes after the surface dry, we will put this whole cherry to this steamer. This is the steamer. You can see here. This is the steamer. It's like a 30 kW, 30 kW, and 3 phases as well. That's why I say the cotton wool, it's more complicated. So you put a whole cherry into this machine like 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the ink, the chemical things finished. That means after the steaming, the color already go to the fabric forever. After the steaming, you need washing. Here, you need to wash it because those ink still have some ink still on the surface. So you need to wash them off. Wash them off. Let those finished chemical things ink there. Then the color is forever. Color is forever. You can see she will put the trolley. 你要推进去是吗？先推到这里吧。Okay. You can say I will go. Well, I will go. Will put the trolley inside. Yeah. Trolley inside. Okay. 几分钟啊 ？Okay. 5 to 8 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes. How many degree? How many degree? Here. 88 degree. 88 degrees. So later the temperature will be 88. After 8 minutes, then we put it into the steamer. In fact, our factory don't wash the socks because you know the wasted water have the pollution, the colored water. So we cannot wash here. We have to put it to the dyeing factory. Let them wash it. Okay, let's see what's the after. Okay, like this one. This is cotton, the kids socks. This is the kids socks. You can see here. These are printed socks. After printing like this, very light color. But after steaming, it look like this. See, this is quite different, but it's the same socks. It's the same socks. You can see after steaming, the color is much better, right? This is the kids socks. For the kids socks, as I told you, as a mom, I love those kids socks because inside no thread at all, so don't need to worry our kids have any risky for those thread. Also, such gradient color for the uh, I mean for those knitting socks, they cannot do such color. Cannot hear a little blur and here a little bit yellow. So printing can do, but they cannot. The knitting cannot. Okay, next I want to introduce you our workshop, manufacturing shop. Here we have another workshop here. Oh, sorry. Let me disturb you. I wanted to introduce you this socks. This socks printer. This socks printer we put camera here. See here we have camera here. This is the visual system. Visual system. It's light source and the camera system. This camera system can recognize the colorful part. Can recognize the colorful part. I mean, like the here is black. Then he can jump over the colored part and print on the white socks only. 那我们去那边吧。Let's go to the another workshop. 我到那边你可能不能用那个了，你可以用。那我能够拿那个吗 ？Sorry, let me change. 走。看看它是不是。But if we still working, show you that workshop. Many here. 你不用拍我，拍自己。连上了吧？连得上吗？应该连得上。OK， 那这个。For this machine, it's a continuously steamer. This steamer we hang the socks here. We can hang the socks here. And also this steamer designed for big seamless yoga suits and leggings. So this is a very big one, like a 10 meters length, and by the width it's 2.8 meters. 在做吗 ？2.8 meters. I just worry about the Wi-Fi. Okay. Here is another workshop for the manufacturing. Hello. 你在干啥 And this is the second generation camera system. Look here, the camera and a different light source, different light source. You can see now he is printed one socks pattern. It's like a cuff and a heel part. You see. So later he will copy this pattern and recognize this pattern here, like here. It's already have the pattern here. In fact, the camera already recognize the pattern. 啊，不对呀，是在动吗？啊有。You can see here the camera already recognize the pattern. So later the printer will just print on the white part, not print on the black or blue or red part. This is a new technology. And this one is designed for 这个不用特许拍，不用特别拍，大致拍一下好了。This one is for the seamless suits. We are not finished yet. Not finished. It's in developing. Those are another two new printers, still in installation, not finished yet. 你现在在调吗？ Okay, here I like to introduce the camera system. 你袜子有吗？袜子给我一个看看。不要拍那个啊，那个不要拍，那个没完成。I said it's not finished. It's still in developing for the seamless machines. We did not put the shape on. Say, before we always use those black toe and black heel part for the socks printing. So when you even print on a black part, it's not so clear. So it doesn't matter print on the black part. But for the color, it's not so colorful. For after using this camera system, you can print on those colorful socks. Red, blue. Okay, so you can see it's printing, but here have the white. That means the camera made a mistake, so still need adjusting. See those square? Those square help our technician to adjust. If the black part and the white part match completely, that means here you can print perfectly. Okay, now I will show you how we pack after printing. 其他地方不用拍，你就拍这个打印我们包装好的这个。Look at this. This printer is already finished and will ship soon. So we're just waiting for customers forward information. waiting for their instruction. These two are both them. It's waiting for client's final information. We usually will pack like this. Here have many important spare parts like a printer head, and here is the rollers. Here are the rollers, and here is the tissue paper suit. So we will pack like this. The size is like 2.9 meters by 0.7 meters and by 1.55 meters. So not so big. For one machine like 3.5 cbm. And another style like this, a little bigger, a little longer than this one. Both of them waiting for the packing, final packing. And for the $2 fee, some clients always ask the $2 fee. In fact, you can calculate, estimate it. Not very accurate, but you can estimate. It's like 30% of total value. 30% of total value. You just estimate this. It's including the shipping fee, warehouse fee, by sea, the ocean fee, and the $2 fee. The truck fee from your port to your factory. Also, recently, our client asking if they don't have the forwarder, their own forwarder, how they deal with those import things. That means if you need, we can ask our forwarder if they can deliver it to door. They may charge a little bit logistic fee, a little bit service fee, but not so high. Usually a little bit like. Any more questions? 还有人吗？ Any more questions? I like you ask me questions so I can reply you immediately. Today, I already teach you what we do. We do the printing business and we do the socks printer manufacturing things. Why we do printing business? Because we need touch every materials so we can work out those ICC profile and work out those solutions, color solutions for you. That's why we accept small order printing business. But our main business is 我们要不去里面吧 Our main business is printer manufacturing. 这个我说了别拍啊 Printer manufacturing. Usually after here, this workshop, we finish the installation. We will drag our printer to that test workshop. So our workers, our operators can use that machine like 1 week. 1 week, they just keep printing every day. Then after that, we will know every spare part's good. Then we will wash all these inks out and replace damper, replace the damper and the capping, printer head, give you brand new one. Then we ship the new printers to you. That's why sometimes you can say why the ink tube, I mean the ink tube here, like this one. Sorry, here I cannot show this. Here have the ink tube. This ink tube, maybe you have find some ink there, a little ink there, because we test it like 1 week. We will not release the unfinished, untested one to you. We just worried. We have better experience if we don't test. Okay, then I tell you how you select the printers. For the printers have different styles. Different styles mean different output. So you tell me if you just start this business and it's low output, then you can select the single rollers. Single rollers, one day you can print like 300 for 8 hours. 8 hours, like 300 pairs, something. Then you just start it. But for the latest non-stop printing, you can even can print 8 pairs per hour. It depends on the operator's speed. Sometimes clients just complain, it's too fast. I cannot catch up because we develop an auto print system and non-stop printing, how to folder, match the folder, those function. I mean those auto printer function. You can use it very fast, but operators don't want to do so fast. It's too tired because you keep moving these socks off and put socks on. And for select printer, I told you you should take the printing effect, into the consideration, like printing details, lines, and the pictures, the colors, and the softwares. Softwares, ours we use the Beijing board and the Hansen board. Software we use Mintop and the New Stampa. Also, next, after sales. Oh, I forgot to tell you the after sales. For the after sales, if you need, you tell us. We will next to the printers. We have so many printers. So you are next to the printers. We are next to the printers. We can video call immediately. Also, remote control your computer. We can install the softwares. Sometimes maybe you request the on-site installation. That's okay. But for those related visa fee, accommodation fee, and plane fee will be yours. So it's very expensive. We just suggest online guidance. Also, we have very detailed video to guide you to install it step by step. Also, why we select online installation, because this is just two heads printers, so easy to install. Easy to install. You need no need think too complicated. Okay. Uh, this is our after sales. It's online guidance and video guidance and at site guidance. Also for United States, next year we have United Printing. Printing United in Florida, we will be there and ship our machine there to show, to display. Okay. So I introduce you how to select printers. For the new technology, we developed four rollers printers and two rollers printers. Also, these camera systems. As I told you, the camera system is recognize those colorful part. See here, recognize this colorful part. Like here, after the camera recognize this colorful part, it will not print on this. It just print on those blank parts, like this one. It will not print on the yellow part. Just skip over, then print on white area. This is the new technology. Okay, everybody, this is for today's live stream. Tomorrow, same time, Wednesday, same time, from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m., we will be here as well. Well, if you have any questions, welcome to leave message there. We will be here and reply you immediately. Welcome to subscribe our channel. Thank you. This is for today's live. See you tomorrow. 那就 see you tomorrow 吧，拜拜。